Welcome back, Crew Empire. Today, I've got Mike, the mechanic. He's back again. You know, I snapped him off the last time.
Yeah.
But today, he's got a little bit more of an advantage today. He's going to get to pick what ball I get to throw for an entire game. Got any fighting words?
Good luck.
Thanks. I'm going to need it. Let's get to bowling. Mike getting things started off. He's throwing a violent collision. He'll be throwing that the entire game because he's only got one ball. Oh, threw a strike. Must be warmed up. All right, you get to pick.
Which one are we going with first? Let's go with the Extreme Envy.
Okay. You know, crazy he's picking the ball that I threw last match, you know, when I beat him last match.
Oh, we'll get it out of the way, you know, early. I got some tricks up my sleeves for the later frames.
Oh boy.
Oh, see ya. Thank God. It's about time one of those stood up.
Man.
Spares, you can use your spare ball. That's fair.
Are you sure?
That's fair, yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. Just, you know, don't want you to cry about it, you know, when I beat you.
I'm not crying about the first one, dude.
Okay, all right.
That was exciting.
All right. You know, the balls that I brought in today vary from as low as the plastic ball to as high as the Extreme Envy, and just about everything in between. So, there's plenty of variety on this rack for him to choose from, as you know, every time he doesn't strike. Thank you to the bowling gods.
That was gross. That was all on me.
Thank you for that. I appreciate it.
Oh, you're welcome.
Yeah, because the hardest thing is going to be taking a guess, literally every frame, of how this ball is going to react and if it's going to strike or not. Good spare.
Teal Rhino.
Okay.
Let's do it.
Threw this one a lot at Junior Gold last summer. Take a little bit of a guess here. Gonna go 3 right off the Envy. We are bowling on the finest of China today.
Finest. Oh, maybe. Ooh. Ooh. That's good for me. Not so much for him.
No. Need I also say that this fine China pattern was also created by Mike.
It was. It was. It's the finest. Hey, you got better at those.
All right, so not too bad of a start. You know, got 9 spare, 9 spare. 2 pretty good guesses. Thankfully, he hasn't doubled yet, even though we're only 2 frames in. Gotta give credit where credit's deserved.
You got anything one-handed with you?
I stopped bowling one-handed a long time ago.
So is that a yes or a no?
Unless you can find one. I didn't bring one with me. How is that sitting there?
Oh my gosh. Good luck.
Where did you find that?
The bowling gods sent it.
Okay. So here's a shot one-handed. I did not throw a shot one-handed in warm-up because I didn't think he was going to pull this one out of the bag. So here's a shot in the dark. Oh God, these grips feel. Oh, okay. All right, here we go.
If he goes 10 back, I'm going to be upset.
All right, I'll take that.
I want you to shoot the spare the same way.
One-handed?
One-handed.
Okay. Shooting the spares one-handed was something that I stopped doing not too long ago. Actually, throwing the ball one-handed, well, that's a little different. You're telling me I gotta throw it one-handed and get out of here with 8 spare? I'll be okay with that. All right.
Good frame.
Thank you. See, that one hurt the thumb a little bit.
Good thing you don't have to use it. See if we can get a double on the board here. Ew. I feel like a marshmallow.
Throw your purse out next time.
Oh man, I'm gonna have to.
I'm gonna grab a wrench next time.
Yeah.
You know, anytime he doesn't double, I'm loving life. And especially a 10-pin, because, you know, hardest spare in the book for some people. You know, like a washed up Mike.
Oh yeah.
You know, he does have a couple titles to his name, and, you know, that's why. You know, a couple times state champion, state masters champion.
We didn't throw this one yet, did we?
I'm giving you credit here, and all you want to do is pick what ball I throw.
Hey, I appreciate the credit.
Anytime. Gotta give credit where credit's deserved.
Hey, you know.
So now, frame 4, purple hammer.
Cheater ball.
Cheater ball.
What's the move on this?
2 right off the teal.
2 right off the teal.
Shot in the dark.
All right, good shot.
Thank you.
All right. Don't worry, I got a little something for you next shot, so.
Oh no. You know, this is the prime benefit of knowing your arsenal. And if you know your arsenal, you can make changes like this and at least hit the pocket or at least try to get close, you know, when you're changing balls like this. All right, good shot. Why are you walking away from the rack again? Oh God. Okay.
However you wish to throw it, one-handed, two-handed,
Okay.
it's all you.
So I'm gonna go with the 6-pound backup ball. That's the strategy here.
Fair.
One-handed, no thumb. And I'm gonna hope that I leave a light mixer 4-pin and then make the spare.
Interesting.
Gotta hit the head first. Use the 6-pounder for this one too?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
I figured that one. Take all the torture in the world, right?
Hey, you know, it's all fun.
I don't know why I picked up my towel to wipe off a house ball. Woo! Run away from that one.
Pretty good. I thought that was one.
I thought it was 0.
I thought it was one. Oh, go a little bit.
Is that a double? Oh, that is a double.
You know what? Throw my ball.
What is this? I gave you 7 options.
You can throw it two-handed.
So this is one right off the NB.
Okay. Ball hooks a lot.
All right, I might walk a little further left.
Or not at all. Dun, dun, dun.
Doesn't hook that much.
Got the hard two.
Good count.
Hey, good count.
Good count. No, the score is not looking too great here.
Hopefully you didn't taint my thumb hole.
Hopefully I did.
Hopefully you did.
You know, I had a high school teacher once tell me I should put ketchup in my opponent's finger holes.
Wow. Is that what you did for me?
No, I don't have ketchup down here.
Need a little redemption from last match there, bud. What haven't we thrown yet? You throw a GB4?
I have not thrown that one yet. Okay.
I have a little faith in that choice. I want to get you on the board here.
Thanks. Strike here would be big. I got 223 out.
Strike here would be huge for you.
This is 1 right off the violent, 2 right off the envy.
See it. At least you're gonna have a lot of good Messenger Monday clips.
Yeah. Oh my God. Oh no!
Oh my God, what is
life.
that? Blasphemy.
That's life.
How did that ball not hook?
Oh! I will say that was much closer than mine.
As close as you can get.
As close as you can get, but you didn't.
I was full clenched.
You didn't get either one.
You throwing the Quantum yet?
Nope, I have not. Is that the one?
Quantum Evo.
No, we're gonna stand in the same spot as the GB4. Actually, this is one left. It went pretty straight. This ball hooks a little bit more. I'm gonna go with that.
It's a big move. Send another 10. 10 in the pit, that's fair.
Good guess. Throwing that ball a lot in college right now. At least the first half of the year, I threw it a ton. So I'm glad you picked that one. That was a pretty good pick.
Hey, you know, anything for a pal.
Yeah, thanks. So now we got 11-pin match. I'm only down a hit here. You know, if he just magically opens again. That one looked a little better. That one was a lot better. That was better. I'll give you that one. Okay.
Blue.
New blue?
Blue ball, dude.
Okay. The not urethane blue hammer. This is 4 right of the Evo. Oh, man.
Rut row.
Yep, that was the one they get.
Hey, Tom.
Tom's back, the boss is back. Hopefully, you know, distracts him a little bit, makes this interesting.
Oh boy.
That's the game.
Is that the game?
That is the game.
Now it's 1-1.
It's 1-1. Yep.
Now what are we gonna do?
You'll have to come back.
I'll have to come back.
You'll have to come back. I think I should make you pick one because the game's over.
Okay.
I think you should throw left-handed.
Okay. With this ball?
Yeah.
Okay, that's fair.
I'm hoping he gets like less than 5 and I have a chance because I made him throw it left-handed. That's pins. That's enough pins to win. Yeah, damn it. That didn't work.
That was okay.
That didn't work as well as I wanted it
No.
to. I was hoping you'd just like throw it in the gutter. know, I think for fun, you know, because we don't get to see it very often, I'll throw the one-handed one again.
Let's do it.
All right. This is about 20 right of the new blue. Oh boy.
Oh boy.
Oh man. Means I won't get a fill ball.
Throw 2 6s. Want to just use two spare balls?
2 spare ball? Okay.
Yeah, do that.
I definitely would not tell you to do this at home. And if you do it at home, don't do it at home.
Make sure you're friendly with your mechanic at least.
Yeah.
If you're going to do it at home.
I have my mechanic right here.
Just in case
Yeah.
anything breaks.
Well, Mike, pleasure having you as always. And
Yeah, thanks for having me.
if one of these hits the sweeps, please go get it.
Uh-oh.
Well, thankfully none of them hit the sweep. But that's gonna wrap this one up. Hit that subscribe button, like the video, and we'll see you next time. Peace.